Hi, everybody. Happy Christmas Eve. We are on day 24 of the 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina and the Mismatch Crafter. It's going to be sad to have it end because it's been fun. I have no idea what this is because it's shaped odd. Look at the shape. No idea. I haven't felt it. Don't know, guys. I have no idea. So let's open it. I'm going to be prepared. The kids are coming over tonight to get their gifts from Scott and I. I love this time of year, watching the kids get all excited. Oh, let me see. Some tin trucks. There's more than one gift in here. Them are cool. And what in the blazes is this? What's this? Oh, look at this, guys. Look at that. Hang on. I'm going to make sure I got everything. Oh, okay. Okay. It's a gnome with a red tree inside of a truck. Look at that, guys. Ain't that awesome? That is so cute how she did that. No wonder she asked me how I was doing these. She asked me how I was doing this, the ribbon. I called them my, what the heck did I call them? Rug bows. I don't remember. Ribbon. Just, they're material, and you just cut them, and you just kind of. This is so cute. I love how it sits. She's got a little box, a crate, the foam. Look at the back. Love it. I love the colors, too. And she used that red of hers. I need to know where you got this red, because I love that red. And it sits with a Nomi on top. Oh, look at its nose. It looks like she used a piece of candy to make his nose. It's got a little snowflake. She made one of her hats. I didn't know how you guys people made these. Sabrina showed me, so I made a few. A little beard and then a ribbon. Let's see. She's got red and then she got the checkered, and it looks like Santa or gnomes. And then she's got it stuck in the crate and in the truck. I love it. I love it. It's homemade. And, of course, no name. Sabrina. I will add your name in a second. Put that right there. And she got me these truck tins. I couldn't find these, and then I found them. That's all right, because I will use them for decor. And I got plans for the ones. I came up with a plan after I had them on my wall. So, I'll do them for next year. Awesome. And then, a little package here. Oh, look at. She made me some of the little cocoa cups. Look at. Santa in a truck. Oh. They will be added to my tree immediately. Sabrina, thank you. I love this. I love the little gnome. I don't know if you want to call it a Nomi tree. A Nomi truck tree. There we go. Nomi truck tree. That is so cute. Thank you so much. I love it. You guys, please go check out to see what Sabrina got today. Because, like I said, I haven't remembered. So, I hope you guys are getting ready for that beauty man. It comes down the chimney tonight. Like I said, my family's coming over. And I'm starting the dinner. Which, we're not having a big dinner this year. We're kind of laying it low a little bit. But the joy of watching the grandkids open the gifts is my fun part. I love it. So I want to thank each and every one of you that have been watching these through the 24 days. One more day left. Christmas Day, guys. Christmas Day. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas. Bye, everybody.